Okay, this is week number 6. I think I got a little duplicate over in the other week, and this would be day 10. Okay. Students made their own cable, physical layer. We talked about protocols, connections, access to the network, concepts, and how we apply it. A little review here. We have the layers. Come down through. TCP/IP model. This is the OSI model. Layer link control, media access. We've talked about this quite a bit already. Let me highlight it again. The application connected into the apps. We present the data, we create a session, we figure out how we're going to transport the data, TCP or UDP, transmission control protocol, internet protocol, the network layer, IP addressing, path, data link, Ethernet for an example, and the physical layer, how we put it on the media. So when we come down, we get a segment, a packet, and a frame. And then we just had the example here from the classroom where we have multi-layered switch, which is both layer 2, layer 3, and can be considered in some respects maybe layer 4, but most of the time we're thinking of it as a router switch. Alright, actually that's it for this one.